My name is Megha, and in this video I will tell you some vocabulary, tips and simple answer for IELTS speaking section 2 topic famous personalities. Now the question that is related to famous personalities is paraphrased into many different ways. One among them is describe a person in the news you would like to meet. You should say who that person is. Why is he or she in the news? Why would you like to meet this person? This question can also be paraphrased as describe a person whom you admire. You should say who that person is, how this person influenced you, why you admire this person. One more way in which the same question can be paraphrased is describe a famous personality you would like to meet. You should say who that person is, why you want to meet this person, why this person is famous, what would you do if you meet him or her. I will give you a sample answer first, and towards the end of the video, I will also give you some additional vocabulary, which is around 15 to 16 phrases and words that you can use for the topic famous celebrities in IELTS section 2. I'd like to tell you about my favorite Bollywood celebrity who often remains in news not only for her terrific voice but also for her generosity towards poor people. If I could get that once in a lifetime opportunity of meeting her, it would be an absolute honor for me. The name of that renowned Bollywood singer is Neha Kakkar. Having an innate determination to succeed and an exceptionally good voice, she creates songs that always make headlines. I'm personally very inspired by the way she has paved her journey. After getting her first breakthrough as a contestant in a television reality show, she worked really hard and gained international recognition. 8 years down the lane, she was invited as the judge of the same reality show in which she was once a contestant. Apart from being supremely talented at singing, Neha Kakkar has various other qualities that make me admire her a lot. To commence with, she is an extrovert and leaves a smile on the faces of people she meets. Secondly, she is very calm and composed and does all her work in a systematic manner. Moreover, the thing that appeals to me the most about Neha Kakkar is that she believes in doing good for the society. She is a part of various non-governmental organizations and she donates money to the needy every now and then. I believe that this quality of Neha Kakkar distinguishes her from other Bollywood celebrities. Additionally, these days she is especially in the spotlight as her parents are finding an alliance for her. She is quite popular on social media and unlike million other followers, I too follow her on various social networking sites like Twitter and Facebook. To wrap up, I am a die-hard fan of Neha Kakkar and I desire to meet her one day. Not only Neha, I would like to meet her siblings and her parents, and I would like to congratulate them for all of Neha's achievements. I would like to meet her at a cafeteria where we would sit and enjoy a cup of coffee together. During that time, I would ask Neha how she overpowered all the struggles and criticism that she had to face in her life. Finally, to capture the vivid memories of that special meet, I would click a photograph of me with Neha Kakkar and her glorious smile. As you already know that in IELTS speaking section 2, you have to deliver a monologue that lasts for around 2 minutes, but my answer was definitely more than that. This is because I tried to include all the points to the sub-questions that I mentioned in the 3 paraphrased questions. But for your exam, you should pick up relevant points. You should pick up the points that are relevant to the question asked to you. Now, I will give you additional vocabulary that I did not use in my sample answer, and that is Ups and downs. It means the chain of good and bad experiences in life. Undeterred, which means not discouraged or stopped by problems. We can certainly combine these two terms to create an interesting phrase, and that is undeterred by ups and downs, which means not discouraged by the highs and lows of life. Next, undeterred by criticism, which means not demotivated by someone's disapproval. Next vocabulary, indomitable, which means impossible to defeat. Its synonyms are unbeatable and unshakable. Now, an example sentence for you is, having an indomitable spirit, she overpowered all the struggles she had to face in the early stages of her career. So, you can definitely use this sentence in your I speaking section too, related to famous personalities. Next vocabulary, international audiences. Example sentence, he reaches out to his international audience through social networking sites. Spellbounding, which means holding the complete attention of someone. Example sentence, I recently watched his movie and I was spellbound by his performance. So this is when you are talking about an actor, but in case you are talking about a singer maybe, you could say, I recently attended his live concert and I was spellbound by his melodious voice or his ebullient performance on stage. Next vocabulary, to make headlines. It means to be featured on the headlines of news articles. Example sentence, he is an inspiring author and his work always makes headlines. So in this, I'm talking about author, like an author could be the famous personality you would like to meet. Next vocabulary, outstanding. It means exceptionally good, and the synonyms are marvelous, first class. Example sentence, his first movie did not make headlines, but he has made outstanding progress since then. So you can see that I'm using different grammatical structures as well, and that is what you must do for gaining a good band in IELTS speaking. Next vocabulary, sought after. It means someone or something in demand, or someone or something that is desired by many. Example sentence, he is a sought after entrepreneur, which makes me respect him a lot. Next vocabulary, legendary. It means very well known or possessing a unique characteristic that leads to fame. An example sentence, her way of explaining things is legendary and hence I follow her. Next vocabulary, charismatic. It means charming, attractive, fascinating. Example sentence, the actress is very charismatic and adds a unique charm to her movies. So you could use this vocabulary if you are talking about an actress that is in the news and you admire her a lot. Next vocabulary, famous, popular, renowned, desired, celebrated, well known, eminent. So all these are synonyms of famous, and you can certainly incorporate them in your answers to increase the score for your lexical resources. Next vocabulary, to be on cloud nine. It is actually a phrase which means a state of happiness. Example sentence, if I could get that once in a lifetime opportunity of meeting him or her, I would be on cloud nine, which means I would be extremely happy. I'd be elated. Next vocabulary, to rise to fame. It means to make it to the top, to gain respect. An example sentence, he rose to fame in his early 30s and represented his country at an international level. You could use this phrase for a singer, actor, or any famous personality that you would like to meet or whom you admire a lot. In this video, we discussed a sample answer for the topic famous personalities in your IELTS speaking section 2. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Bye.